nobody's ordering you to continue on with the illegal search.
I always consult with my superior, sir, but the ultimate decision falls into my shoulder, sir.
Okay. So nakita mo na. Narinig mo na lahat. Kaming tatlo ditong senador, we're appealing to you to please give these people peace of mind. Ibalik sa kanila yung property. Hindi mo kayang gawin yan?
Before I give the answer, sir, can I make my presentation so that I can comprehensively address all the issues?
Mamaya. Ngayon lang, tatanungin kita, when will you present your presentation? Kasi alam mo, ganito yan, Nick. Ganito yan. If the decision is within your level as the regional director, alam mo, if we have a government agency under the executive branch of government that does not listen to the recommendations, to the pleas of this committee, of this Senate committee. If we have a government agency that does not follow court orders, we are therefore creating a situation na masasabi natin there is a constitutional crisis. And are you willing to place your name as the very person that caused the constitutional crisis?
I don't think that is applicable in this case, sir. If you will allow me, before to answer my question, to answer your question, before that, can you allow me to present?
Be very liberal to you.
Thank you, sir.
Be very liberal to you, even though you are not so liberal in interpreting court orders. Papasalamat kayo dahil nirevoke ng Court of Appeals yung TPO coming from RTC. But I will be very liberal to you. I will listen to you. Tapos ka na po?
Mr. Chair?
Huh?
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
may I speak